Cocoa Butter Vitamin E Hand Treatment 3-pack. At-home spa treatment. Indulge yourself in some precious me time in the comfort of your own home. These invigorating hand gloves are formulated to leave your hand visibly smooth and youthful again. Repair damaged nails. Effectively repair damaged nails after manicure. Hand mask. Provide your hands deep moisturizing skincare. Effective skin treatment. Featuring attributes, spearmint extract and tea tree oil can be used to treat a variety of conditions. Natural ingredients. This energizing treatment is formulated with spearmint and tea tree oil to help soothe tired, achy hands, making your skin soft and restoring it to a healthy, vibrant appearance. You will notice visible results after one treatment. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Got these as a gift at Christmas and loved them so much I reordered them.